Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use adapt sound to test your hearing on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on sound quality and effects. In here, tap on Adapt Sound, go down and tap on Test My Hearing. Next, it said that go to a quiet place, put on your headphones and close all multimedia apps. Test your hearing to find the best sound for you. Your current personalized sound data will be replaced. Now to begin, tap on the Start button. And in here, the phone will play a series of sound. You need to choose whether yes or no. And then you need to listen carefully. Just tap on yes or no and just press the yes or no according to the question that asks you on the screen. Now you need to follow through the whole lot, and then once it's finished at the end, I'm just going to quickly press on the yes button, and after that you can choose left or right and then tap on save. Alright, so now we have create a new sound profile based on your hearing, and after that you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.